Today, let's check on COATINO Cost Savings Calculator, which plays an essential part in the COATINO service landscape. First, start on the COATINO website. Then go to the Virtual Lab tab. Click on Cost Savings Calculator. Before clicking on Start Calculator, please check on the features and functions. Click on Start Calculator. Now you see the dashboard of COATINO Cost Savings Calculator comparing two manufacturing processes. First, KPIs with regards to time and energy consumption are already filled based on our experience and customer feedback for the manufacturing process to make 1 metric ton of clear coat. In our example, the clear coat contains 1% of a traditional AEROSIL grade. Therefore, numbers displayed for process A are based on the manufacturing with standard fumed silica grades. Process B represents the making with one of the recently introduced AEROSIL Easy-to-Disperse grades. Because of the easier processing of the newly developed grades, the bead mill preparation and the actual milling process can be skipped. This is since easy-to-disperse grades are able to be incorporated simply by a dissolver. Only the time for pre-dispersing has been doubled instead. All other numbers stay the same. Maybe you've already spotted the calculator at the top of the page, where the impact of all changes is automatically displayed. Altogether, time savings can sum up to around 50%. Alongside the time savings, you may have recognized that calculated energy savings were down by 75%. The same goes for the reduction of carbon emissions in the given example. Certainly, you are welcome to adjust every single production step and calculate savings based on your unique production. If you now go further down, you can also adjust overhead cost and volume and substitution costs. Now go and display all savings in detail. In our example, total savings for the production of only 1 metric ton come down to nearly $780. And as a final step, you're welcome to share this information with others by creating a sharing link. How do you like COATINO Cost Savings Calculator? Please let us know. Cheers!
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.